I'm heading to bed before I get a call from my recruiter.
Alright, good night.
Is your refrigerator running?
Yeah, but I don't want to catch it. What the hell is wrong with you?
That's the joke. That's the whole joke.
Alright, I'm taking my leave before I lose more brains. Look at
30 seconds left. Spike planted.
You can stop laughing, they're gone.
And cut.
What could possibly go wrong?
Jack, get out of there.
She's AFK, I knew it.
She's way out there. No.
Swing it. Do
Yeah,
it.
no fear.
No fear.
I don't. Please.
Pranked. Pranked.
There they are.
That's happy seas. Whoa.
See, Mr. Wig is
Spike planted. Reloading. Face your fear!
That sucked. I'm so sorry, Jenny.
It's not your fault. It just got shot through the wall.
Yeah, but if I didn't miss, then you wouldn't have gotten shot through a wall.
If I didn't miss, I wouldn't have taken any damage, so...
One enemy remaining.
I didn't miss that guy though. Oh, but shit.
Player standing.
It might be the real Dr.
Bree
Bread.
is really... Bree is our entire team right now.
For a scientist, you are very violent.
You are so...
You sure
I
are.
need to go to
Take
sleep.
your time.
Guys, I don't think that's the real Dr. Bread.
How do you want to die?
What are you talking
With a stick of bread up my ass.
Clitoris, labia majora. How many pussies you got? What? There's cum in my ass and it won't go.
Please don't sing that. Oh my
There's
god.
cum in my ass and it
Please.
won't go. Dicks in my ass and they won't go. But the cum keeps coming, the cum.
4 big guys.
And I busted my eyes to eat my ass like apple pies. If they keep fucking me like this, I might just die. They put my booty till I cry. Lick my dick and the cup starts dripping. I take a bite of his ass, it'll end up over chicken.
You know so much of that.
What do you
Dude, the fact that it... But the flow...
Call him Fortnite because he put Fortnite into the chat.
Uh-oh. Not the cat face.
Alright. Taking it back. Really hoping up.
Okay, I'll take that.
Dr. Brad.
One enemy
Uber.
remaining.
Hey, yo.
Nice.
Steal it, steal it. He's over by me.
No.
Flawless.
Yes, let's go. Let's fucking go. Astra, Util, and C. Okay.
I lived.
So nice. Somehow I'm on 8 health. What? Okay, I'm finding. How am I alive?
Wake up,
How did I fuck that up?
Bread. Wake up, Dr. Bread. Wake
One in
up.
garage.
Just sit in the corner, don't die.
It's not gonna work.
Time to jump.
Dr.
Hey,
Bread,
girl,
behind
pussy
you,
boss.
Dr.
That's
Bread.
absolutely
Behind you,
stinky.
Dr. Bread.
One enemy
Dr.
remaining.
Bread.
I got it, 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 I got it. Hey, I got it.
Dr.
You
Bread.
did it!
Wake up, Dr.
Paging
Okay, I'm
Dr.
awake.
Bread.
Huh? What?
Gamer girl.
Oh my god, where? Wait, where? I don't, what? Huh?
Arrived at home.
Yeah, I thank you for that.
Hey Siri, what is my
Congrats,
current location?
Okay, thank you,
Didn't know
Siri.
you were home.
I'll shut them down. Until then, survive.
Do any of y'all have shorts I can eat, or am I just gonna have to use mine?
You gotta use yours. I mean, I got some in my closet, but I don't wanna keep them.
You're not getting them back.
I wanna keep them.
Not get.
I wanna keep
I am in your closet. You are losing shorts by the second.
God.
Cause this game sucks. Alright, we're pushing B. Pushing B again, Jig.
Okay.
Forward.
It's funny because we're not pushing B.
You sure?
You'll never know.
You had shield!
For you.
Yeah.
Microsoft Edge, do you like the Microsoft come?
Do you regret being here yet, Clay?
No, not at all.
No, I'm funny.
Not at all.
Fuck.
I am thoroughly enjoying myself right now.
Okay, I'm glad. Good.
Didn't want to add you.
I was afraid
What?
of chaos.
She thought we would scare you away.
A little bit, yeah.
That's, you know what? After meeting you guys, that's a valid concern. However,
I love having another woman here to help.
hey, what am I to you? if not a woman.
What do you want to be?
A pilot.
What do you-
I am very listen, I am very proud of my femininity, okay?
Yeah.
I gotta get my knife out. My knife is out. It's just dark. Gotta open some cheese curds. Cheese curds. Oh, that's right. You don't have cheese curds down there.
Jack's the type of person to take an entire block of cheese and open it by stabbing a knife through the middle.
Shut the fuck up. I get big blocks of cheese. What am I supposed to do? I cut it in half. I don't. Fuck you.
Wait, you actually?
Yes. I cut it in half through the package.
Psychopath. Psychopath. I didn't breathe. I'm in danger, breathe.
Last player standing.
You're loud. It's like buoy, I think, but yes. Oh my god.
30 seconds left.
You got a vandal. Wasn't mine.
Good work. Keep going.
It was hers, she just doesn't know. Jake, you want a free vandal?
Sure.
Too bad.
That's about what I expected.
I don't think they're gonna go B it again.
Dr. Fred, you get one kiss. One kiss.
I slammed my penis in the car door.
You slammed your penis in the car door. That was the sound. That was the sound of you slamming your penis in the car door.
Placing alarm bot.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Zoe,
Alarm them.
my penis,
Okay,
my
they're
penis,
They're going A.
car, Zoe, car door out.
Yeah, I hit her for 42. That means she's at 80.
I slammed your penis in the car door.
What do I do?
Open the door. Duh.
30 seconds left. Spike planted.
And you can save. Well,
Say one of your quirky voice lines, chat.
I slammed my penis.
you're gonna say that too.
Healing. Toxin screen
Kill Dr. Fred.
Let us see what they have planned for us this time.
I can't believe I got that kill.
Gamer girl?
Wait, where? Oh my god.
Calm down, Harrison. Remember, your frontal lobe isn't there anymore.
Got removed only yesterday.
Where did you get that done?
Claire's.
And then they will die.
It's kind of fun. Learn to econ.
Damn.
Never.
Yeah.
And I would know.
Your trail.
Oh yeah.
Cover going out.
I don't think I believe you.
I would know.
Well, move the chair.
God damn it.
Oh my god.
A real Nicole moment.
One enemy.
No, no! Oh my god! Jesus Christ. That was terrifying. You really almost died. Like, you should not have survived that.
No, absolutely not.
Yo,
No.
Sage, can I get a rest?
No.
I would if I had it.
Oh my
Damn,
god, what a
NC,
fucking
NC.
bitch.
Sage res. Sage res.
Sage
Quickly
res. Sage res. Sage res.
Sage res.
Sage res.
Actually throwing at Sage. Actually throwing.
Sage, can you res please? Res me, Sage.
You have ult?
I'm going to dox them and explode their house.
Someone is gonna lose a house, and it's gonna be them.
Wow, imagine not being MVP. Couldn't be me.
They're
Jake.
Do you just want me to try?
Dr. Bread.
Yeah.
Rub it in? Is that exactly what you
Match
want?
Out there.
What check?
I was getting bukkake out there. I was taking shots from
You
all
were
of them.
what? You were getting what?
I couldn't
Can you
do
make a
anything.
different comparison?
No one can hold their breath forever.
that one.
Yeah.
It was like I was on the top floor in the Twin Towers. What am I supposed to do?
Nope.
Nice. Okay, I want that gun. I'm gonna take it.
That was dangerous.
I've got your trail.
Ooh.
Mark 2.
There's two.
just tell you?
Oh, that was so funny.
What did I just tell you?
It was so funny though.